Today we're going to talk about how you prepare your home to sell with pets like my little guy Aspen right here.
We all love our furry friends. However, when you go to sell a home, it's very imperative that you take the time to prepare the home as if the pet doesn't live there. I know that sounds harsh, but one of the first things we're gonna ask you to do is remove the evidence of the pets. So take out their crate, take out their bowls, take out their toys. We want the home to look as if it's a model home with no remnants of any pets. Along with that, another thing that we always recommend is that you deodorize, that you either spray air freshener, run some essential oil, something like that, because for people who don't have pets, they can be sensitive to odors in the home, and we wanna make sure we eliminate any questions for buyers about that. We all love our furry friends, but we know that they can create a little bit of damage to floors and trim and things like that. So before you go to sell, it's very important to look at any damage your pet has done, scratches, nicks, things like that, and take care of them before you put your home for sale. Outdoors, you're going to want to make sure, again, to remove all toys and to make sure that the yard is free of animal waste. That is a big no-no for buyers when they come into that on a showing, so we are going to want to take care of that up front. The final thing that we always recommend whenever possible is that you actually relocate your furry friend during showings. We know this can be an inconvenience, but if you can have a friend take them for a walk or maybe take them to grandma or grandpa's house, something like that, that can help that the pet is not there during showings as a distraction and as a deterrent for potential buyers. Like you, I love my furry pet Aspen, but when we went to sell our home in the last few months, we did all of these steps to ensure that our home looked pet-proof and it paid off in the end, and so we recommend that you do the same. If you have any other tips for selling a home with pets, we'd love for you to drop them in the comments below.